Sorry. What are you teaching Barbie? What are those? Sorry, what are those?
Numbers.
Numbers. And you're trying to match them?
Yes.
Yep. So what's the first one? What number is that?
I do.
Show Barbie. What number is that? That's number
4.
1. That's the first one. First number. Number 1. What's after 1? What's after 1? What's that? What number is that? That's number. What's after 1? Can you try and count? 1 and then 2. What's after 2? Look behind you. I think it's behind you. What number is that? 3. Good job, Barbie. Good job, Sari. And then, what's after number 3? After 3 is... What number is that? Can you count loud? I can't hear you. 1. Can you count?
Oi, Bobby.
Hey, Barbie. Can Barbie talk? Can she speak?
I don't know he's speaking.
Teach her how to speak.
I don't know.
Barbie, can you count? I think she can. Go. Point the numbers. Point the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Barbie. What about Sari? Can Sari count? What's after 4?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So where's number 5? 5. Wow! Good job, Sari.
It's time to count.
Okay. 1, 2.
Hey.
What's after 5? Look again. Is that the next number? 5. Point here. Do it here. This would be the next one. Do this. 5 and then 6. Where's 6? Is that 6? No. That's not. 6. You have to find 6. This one. What's after 5? How many bears do you see? Can you count?
1. Oi, Bobby.
Okay.
You can count.
Where's Barbie? Barbie? Okay. How many? Can you help Barbie? I couldn't hear her. Can you help her?
I can talk.
She can't talk?
I can talk.
Alright. Barbie, can you count again?
You talk.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 teddy bears. Now where's number 6? Where are you, number 6? Way to go, Sari. What's the next number? After 6 is, how many red cars do you see? How many red cars? I can see. Can you count? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you point them?
Okay.
Point the cars.
Okay.
Is Barbie gonna count again?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
It's not talk to you.
Again. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red cars, Barbie. That's right. So where's number 7? Yay, good job, Sari. What's the next number? The next number would be loop-de-loop, loop-de-loop. What number? What's beside number 7? What's beside number 7, Sari? Beside it, I can see buckets, red buckets. How many buckets are there?
1, 2, 3.
Can you point? Point the buckets. Oops. What number is that? What number is that? That's number
3, 4.
8. Alright, so there are 8 buckets. And then after 8, I can see colorful balloons. But how many balloons are there? Can we count the balloons? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloons. Alright, so where's number 9, Sari? Is it 9? Yeah, that's right. It's number 9. And then the last number would be number 10. I can see 10 ice creams. Is that 10? Wow, you did a good job, Sari. So what numbers do we have? So what numbers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Can you count your fingers? How many fingers do you have? Can you show me?
Maybe Bobby's can count.
Alright. Can Barbie count her fingers? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. What about the other hand?
1, 2.
The left one, the left hand. That's right. That's the right hand. What about the left hand? Her left hand. Her other hand. Other one. Where is it? There you go. How many fingers does she have?
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So she has 5 fingers on each hand. So how many is that?
1, 2, 3.
10.